Is CU a Scrabble word? Well, the short answer is no. No, it's not. Officially, it's not a Scrabble word, and in fact, the inverse, you see, that's not a Scrabble word either. And the way I know this is because you can go to this particular Scrabble word finder. It's the official one. And you can put in CU and you can see that it's not a playable word. You can do the same for UC and make CU words and UC words for that matter. Here are my top 10 CU word builds in Scrabble. You might want to pause that if you want to look that over or write some down. You could also save the video, come back to it. But these are not the only words you can make. You can actually make all of these words as well, and all of these words. If you want a complete list of 500 words you can make with UC or CU, then check out the link to the article in the description of this video. But before you even do that, there is another Scrabble video coming up right now. I hope you'll check that out, and I will see you there. Thanks for watching.